everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you another way to add some easy nail art to any mani by using transfer foils, and we're also going to apply the transfer foils over a cat eye gel polish, and then we're going to be playing with this new gadget. This is a 5-in-1 magnet, so you can create all those fun designs with one little gadget. It's definitely a good thing to have in your arsenal, especially if you like cat eye gel polishes. This little guy is gonna be your jam because you're gonna be able to do so many different things with it, and it's all in one, which is the best part. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna start this process on one nail, and I'm gonna show you all the steps from start to finish. So right now we're gonna go ahead and you're gonna select your desired base color. I wanted to do just like a very light color, so we're doing a hint of purple. It's just a beautiful, just like pinky purple. It's perfect for spring, and it's gonna go really well with the cat eye gel polish. So I cured that for 30 seconds, and you can see here this color is great full coverage. Now we're going in with one of the Soda Crystal cat eyes. This is one of the new colors from the new collection, and they are fantastic. I love this color so much, and it just has like the perfect like pearl pink. I feel like this color right here will look fantastic on its own without having that magnet on there. So here's what we're working with right now. It is one coat, and now we're going to go in with the magnet. So we're going to focus on this magnet right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the sides of the nail for this look, but you could create any magnetic design that you want on the nail, but we're just going to keep it simple today for that design. And then once you have that magnetic design exactly how you want it, go ahead and cure it right away so you do not lose that design. So now we're going to go in with a HEMA-free transfer foil glue, and you apply it just like you would with your gel base or gel top coat. Once the nail is completely covered, I'm going to go ahead and cure for a full 60 seconds, and then after it's cured, it's going to have a really sticky tacky layer on that nail, and that is really going to help pull that image through on that transfer foil. So now what I'm going to do is, the hardest part was selecting what transfer foil to use for this mani. That's the hardest part. There are so many different designs, so go ahead and line up that transfer foil exactly how you want it on that nail, because once you press that transfer foil down on the nail, you do not want to abruptly just like pull that off, because you're not going to get a clean image. And now what I'm doing is I'm firmly rubbing that image into the nail, so you could either use your finger or you could go in with a silicone tool. Silicone tool works really well when you are working near the cuticle line, the free edge, and the sidewalls, but you could definitely still get the same effect without the silicone tool by using your finger. So if you are making a press on like we're doing today, I find it works best if you remove that nail completely off the stand. That way you can really rub that image into the nail. So right now I'm going to go ahead and take a sneak peek here, and I'm going to slowly start lifting up that transfer foil, and if any of the image is still not transferring, I'm going to continue rubbing it into the nail. You can see here we still have some bare spots, so I'm just going to keep doing the same process. I'm going to just slowly pull that transfer foil off, and then if I see any areas that still need that image to be completed, I'm just going to keep rubbing onto that nail until that image is completely on the nail. I will say the HEMA-free transfer foil glues need a little bit more love when it comes to getting a very clean image. I feel like the non-HEMA-free transfer foil glues work a little bit better, but you can still get a really awesome effect with the HEMA-free transfer foil glues. Just keep in mind that you may need to just spend a little time rubbing in that image. Then to seal in the transfer foil image, I'm doing a layer of gel top coat and curing for 60 seconds. I did the rest of the nails off camera, and how fun is this set right here? There's just something about a pink cat eye gel polish in general, but then you incorporate some transfer foils and it's like a whole game changer. This mani right here is like the ultimate spring mani. And when it comes to the transfer foils, you don't necessarily need to do like a full-blown mani with all the transfer foils like we did here. You could shake it up a little bit and do like a couple accent nails. That would also be super pretty, but I really liked how this turned out. I think it's really fun and springy. So everything that we did use in today's mani can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's simple nail art, and I'll see you all in the next one.